Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie, and you know Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and so I thought I'd share with you how I put together my daughter Reagan's Valentine's Day care package that I send off to college. Now, as you recall, if you've been with me for a while, back when my oldest daughter was in college, Taylor, I used to send her monthly care packages, and I used to share those videos with you as well. So fast forward 5 years, can you believe it? Ray is now in college, and I thought I'd share this month's care package because it's going to be a little bit extra special because it's Valentine's Day. So I'm going to add a few more things to her care package, and this will give you an idea or some ideas hopefully as to what you can give a young teen or young adult in this case. You know, sometimes it's hard to find things that young adults and older teens, especially girls, would like. So I'm going to give you some ideas. By no means this is what I send to her every month, and by no means do you need to get your teen all of these things. In addition, the way you make a care package special is by honing in and understanding what your teen or young adult really likes. Try to include some things that really speak to them to make it personal for them and that they will love it. Now, each month, what Ray does, she sends me a list of the items that she's ran out of, that she's going to need, and things like that, and I'll put that on, and then I'll just kind of write that down, and when it's time to put her care package together, I just put the package together and ship off the needed items to her. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the items that I picked up. Also, I'm going to throw a few items in there that's not going in Reagan's care package. It's actually going to Taylor, her older sister. I'm going to put together a little Valentine's Day package for her as well. Even though she's an adult, she no longer lives at home, she is still my baby girl, so I will send her a little something as well. So first, what I am going to do so that Reagan would be able to distinguish what's Valentine's Day special item versus what would be in her regular box, I'm going to put a box within a box. So I'm going to put a nice little box that says sparkle wherever you go. And I'm going to fill that with Valentine's Day items. Now, the first item, if you guys been around for a while, this wouldn't be special for Reagan, but I thought I'd share it with you because this is an awesome gift to give to a teen, a young adult, or any female that's menstruating for that matter. And that is Tommy's, and that stands for Time of the Month Panties. And basically what these are period panties, and they're leak-proof period panties with a pocket on the front so that you can put a disposable heating pad in that pocket if you have cramps. My youngest daughter, she has horrible cramps, and that was the inspiration behind me creating the Tommy's brand. So one of her friends at school, I'm sending a gift to them for Valentine's Day as well. I'm putting it in her box. They wanted to try out the Tommy's because a lot of the girls asked Ray about, her period panties, and so I wanted to treat them to a box of Tommy's. So that's what I'm sending her girlfriend in college. And then also I'm sending Reagan in her bag. She needed some refills, some heating pad refills, because she says she's low on her heating pads, which go inside the pocket. If you'd like to know a little bit more about Tommy's, the Time of Month panties, I will leave a link down in the description box below to the Tommy's website. But these are an awesome gift. Next up is this cute little travel pillow. It says Jet Setter on it, and when you're putting together your care packages, you want to think about what's going on in your child's life so you can make it special for them. Now, Reagan will be going on spring break, and she'll be traveling with her friends. So I thought this was a really cute little pillow that she could go off with. It says Jet Setter on it, so you have the you know, travel pillow, and then you have a travel mask. And I think I want one of these for myself, as well as my hubby and I plan for our 20th year anniversary. As we plan for our trip for our 20th year anniversary this year. But I thought this was really cute to add to her box. I got her a cute little pajama set. This is really warm, really soft material, and it says perfect inside and out, and it's lined with a nice little floral lining, and it has a pair of floral bottoms, and it's just super duper soft. And I got these from Marshall's. I picked up this cute little heart face cleansing brush. I love getting the ones they have at the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 2. She said she had left her face scrubber here at the house, so I wanted to pick her up a cute little heart one to put in her Valentine's Day box. Then also the weather up north, it is so cold and so dry. You know, she for Christmas wanted some really good lotion and body butter and things like that to keep moisturized. So when I saw this Perfect Pout hydrogel lip masks, I thought these would be great for her and her girlfriends to kind of like have a self, you know, care day in the dorm room. It comes with 5 treatments, and I also, you know, like to always kind of include something that she can share with her friends, just in case they don't get, you know, monthly, you know, boxes from their parents and things like that. So this would be something cute that she can share with them. Self-care item is this heel care set, and it includes the heel gel socks and 2 pumice blocks, and I've worn these for years, and these are great for your heels at night when you moisturize your feet. You just put this on the back of your heel so that moisture could just soak into your cracked heels or feet, especially when they're dry. So another great gift, especially for a college student or a person living in an apartment, a young adult that doesn't maybe have a bathtub. My girls loved those Lush bath bombs, like from the store Lush, but you really can't use bath bombs in college because you only have a shower. Well, what they have now are called shower steamers. As you can see, shower steamers. They're like bath bombs, but for the shower. And so basically what you do is take one of these bath bombs and put it on the floor of the shower away from the water, and as the steam you know, rises, as it comes in contact with the steam, it melts the bath bomb and creates a nice aroma in the shower. Now, me and my germaphobe self, I really don't like the idea of just putting this you know, bath bomb on the shower floor and it, you know, is rising up. I don't know, I just think about bacteria and stuff. I'm probably doing the most, but I went to Joann's crafting store and I picked up these organza pouches, and I'm thinking she can take the little disc and put it in the little pouch and just hang it from the shower head and let the steam, you know, melt it that way, and she can still get the same aroma without putting it on the floor. But at least these at least this gives her the option of what she might want to do. I did see some shower steamers that had the bags with it to hang on the shower head, but I didn't like the scents. They didn't smell too great, and she also loves the lavender scent. This little book I picked up from the Dollar Tree says "Don't Give a Fig," and I really think it's cute. I just love little funny sayings. This one says "Peanuff is enough." This one says "Peas leave me alone," and this one says "Ain't nobody got time for that." And so it's just a bunch of little quotes that are food related. And I just thought this was really cute. It's no big deal. Taylor, my oldest daughter, she used to love, you know, little dill pickles, and she can really appreciate this little funny book here because she loves to cook. So I'm going to put this in her little Valentine's Day gift box, along with a few cooking items and cooking utensils for her apartment. And keeping in line with the self-care and beauty, this Mario Badescu skincare system is awesome. My oldest daughter Taylor, she loves this brand. So they have this one here in TJ Maxx for $12.99, and you get the cleansing gel, the scrub, and the spray water. And I just thought this was really cute, and I'm going to put this in Taylor's package. Also, this was my favorite brand of makeup, Becca, and they have since went out of business, and so I'm thinking that Marshalls and all of the other discount stores purchased their inventory at a deep discount and is selling it off. I've been looking for the colors that I use, and the girls use the same color as me as well. This concealer used to run $40 a bottle at Ulta, and they are now selling them for $10.99 in the store. So, and along the lines with the beauty care, this is a blender, a beauty blender travel case. It's in the shape of a strawberry, and I picked this up from Dollar Tree. They had all different types of fruit. They had a strawberry, a pear, and a pineapple, and I got one of these for each of the girls. I also picked up this lip scrub. Again, I told you how, you know, dry her skin and lips are, and this would work great to exfoliate her lips and keep them nice and smooth. I picked up this cuticle oil and nail strengthener. This is from the Dollar Tree. So this is to keep her cuticles nice and smooth. Again, we're trying to put as much oil and moisture in her hands. And then I thought these were super cute. I picked these up from the Dollar Tree as well. They're small mini nail files, and they, you know, have a little saying, "But first nails, nail boss, and tough as nails." This book I saw in the Dollar Tree. It says how to find a real relationship in a digital world, love rules. And I actually picked this book up at the Dollar Tree for all three of us. I'm still trying to understand all this online dating and these social sites and things like that. Dating has changed tremendously. I have been out of the dating game for, oh my gosh, over 25 years. So I'm just not hip to this whole, you know, online dating stuff. And my girls are trying to explain that to me and my husband, and I'm just not really getting it. So when I saw this book and I looked at the different, so when I saw this book in the Dollar Tree and I, you know, was reading the table of contents, I said, oh, this may be a good book for all of us to read and explore and discuss, you know, what's going on, and maybe I can get a better feel and feel a little bit more comfortable with this day and age, the way, you know, the young folks, as we would call them, date. And I just thought I'd read this book, and we can read this book together, and I can get a little more understanding on how all of this new wave dating works. And the final item that's in her Valentine's Day portion, like special portion package, is this Girl Scout Thin Mint Pretzels. Now, Reagan's absolute favorite Girl Scout cookie is a Thin Mint. So when I saw these, I thought, I wonder if these would be any good. Now, I picked these up from Costco. It's a huge bag, and she can share these with her friends as well. And it's 26 ounces. So I thought I'd put that in her bag. Now here are the items that I would just normally include in a standard care package, and these items would vary based on what she needs at the time. So I picked up some cocoa butter lip balm. Again, we're talking about the dry cold weather up north. Then she also wanted some more Vaseline. I don't know, as a child when I was little and living up north, and when it was time to go to school when we were young kids, our babysitter would make us rub our faces down with Vaseline to keep, rub our faces down with Vaseline as a protectant from the cold, harsh weather. Also, I picked up another stick of deodorant, and this is her favorite deodorant. She uses the Tom's, and she likes the coconut lavender flavor. A pack of toothbrushes, and this set of toothbrushes should last her for the remainder of the year or semester until May when she gets out. And same thing with the toothpaste. This should last her for the remainder of the school year until May. She needed some more facial products, so I got her the cotton rounds, and I got a couple of packages of these, and then I got her some witch hazel. And then she left her face wash home, so she wanted me to mail this back. I wanted to share this because this is my holy grail, and now it's become a girl's holy grail as well. I love this stuff. It is awesome at removing makeup when you're washing your face. It's just kind of like an oil base, and the makeup just melts off your face. So if this is something you want to put in your teens Valentine's Day package, Christmas gifts, or whatever you might want to give, I swear by this stuff, and I've been using it for probably 20 years or so. Then I also picked up some cocoa butter lotion. I got this hat, but it came in late. I got it for Christmas, but it didn't arrive until after she left. And it was the wrong hat. They sent the wrong one. It was supposed to have a silk-lined cap inside, and so that could prevent a lot of friction when she puts this on her hair breakage. It did not have the lining in it, but I'm just going to go ahead and still send this to her anyway. Then we have a box of pads. I picked this up from Costco. It's the 76 pack, and this should last her until May, until the end of this semester. And then she also requested that I send her some more paper towels. So I put 2 rolls of paper towels in a bag to send to her. And this is, aside from the Thin Mints, if she can't have Girl Scout cookies, she will be eating Oreos. And she will be eating Oreos. This is her favorite cookie, and I got the family size so that she could definitely share it with her friends. You always have to put their favorite snacks in their care packages. I packed 2 packs of gum. Now, what's a care package without gum? You have to have gum, so I was told. And here's a random item. She said that she needed some staples, so I found this little mini stapler with 1,000 staples, and I'm going to put that in her package. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and got a few ideas as to what you can incorporate into a young teen or young adult Valentine's Day care package. And many of these gifts can be used for Christmas, for birthdays, or anytime you have to give a gift to a young adult or young teen. So I wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day. And until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.